there's two ways we look at emotion in machines. One is from the human perspective, do they attribute something like emotion? So just like in the Turing test, people attribute intelligence to a machine, and we may or may not actually have intelligence. So similarly, I study to what extent do people attribute emotion to a machine, and does that affect their behavior? But in terms of actually endowing machines with something like emotion, I mean, we try to build algorithms that can recognize human emotion, that can predict how people might respond emotionally to a situation, and possibly act in a way that would seem congruent with how a human might respond in an emotional situation. But we also look at what is the social function, what is the cognitive function of emotions in humans, and would endowing machines with that function have certain benefits, even if the function is not necessarily the same way that it's implemented in people. So planes have the function of flying, but they do it in a different way of birds. Perhaps machines will have things like emotion, but we wouldn't necessarily call them emotion.